How to add search engine in Google Chrome. You can change your search engine in your Google Chrome browser. You can set as a default search engine like Google, DuckDuckGo. There is a other search engine I will show you. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, you can see as by default my search is Google. So if you want to change it, so first method, you have to check whether your Google Chrome up to date or not. So how you can check it? Just click on this three dot right corner and go to the help, go to the about Google Chrome, and here you can see is your Google Chrome up to date or not. If it is up to date, it's okay. If it is not up to date, it will be start updating automatically. After update, just relaunch. Okay, after relaunch, just open the Chrome again. Now go to the three dot option again, go to the settings, and here you have to click you have to check the right your left side option sidebar, and here you can see the search engine. Okay, under search engine you can see the option called the search engine used to be address bar, or manage search engine and set search. So here you can see you can change search engine. Now I have changed with the Bing. Yahoo also you can change with the Yahoo. If in open it will be changed with Yahoo, and DuckDuckGo also there, and info.com. Okay, so you can change with any other selected search engine, and there is a manage search engine and site search. You can manage your search engine, you can change the shortcuts, your name, anything. Okay, so that is how you can change your search engine or Chrome browser. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.